I think when it comes to art pieces and engineering, this is it. There's no other brand that is making such a unique and interesting thing. Please show me around one of your beautiful creations, man.
It's all based on the sculpture of the car. It's highly inspired by horses.
Right?
So also you can see on how muscular the car is.
Right.
It's like a replicating the hips of the horse. It's excellent. Also the chest on the horse.
That's very cool.
This is a typical signature for Bugatti.
Right.
The C-line.
The C-line.
All this sculpture.
But it's a lot smaller now, the C-line, than the Chiron or the other ones.
Yeah. And the most beautiful part of the car is the sculpture on the back. That is this negative.
Incredible, man. Incredible. Look at the carbon with the green.
Wow. I think
Just
it's showing all the power.
What a beautiful
The
car.
W16, because this car is W16 still.
Insane.
And the two bazookas coming out and all how the scoops dive into the wing.
Incredible.
This
Look at this, man. Look at this design. And then the interior, which is absolutely breathtaking because of the horses. And the little, I love, everyone saw this when they saw the photos of the little horse inside of the, like, incredible.
There's another crazy stuff here, that actually this one is horsehair.
What?
This is horsehair, man.
No way, man.
It's a textile done by
That's
by the
crazy.
care of the horse,
I love this feature.
tinted, and I think it's a unique car, and this is the only one in the world that has horse.
Incredible, man. I mean, the amount of detail, man, is just absolutely breathtaking. I mean, I've seen cars all my life. I shot the most beautiful cars in the world, but this is incredible. I mean, congrats, man. It's a beautiful and incredible masterpiece.